The little tripper. Almost 6 months old, buddy. Show us what you got. Do some crawling. There you go. Come on over. Yeah. Come on. Let's go. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, what's up with that hair? You don't want to be on camera? Okay. Okay. No more camera. You don't like the camera, do you? Give me that thing. Oh. What are you doing with it? Don't eat it. Give me that back. This is the guy that tried to eat the camera. He said, give me that. Give me that. Come on, show me some crawling. Crawl, 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 crawl. Crawl, 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 crawl. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. I saw you earlier. Just push off with the seat. Okay, buddy. We'll quit for today, okay?